As I told you when we first began these sessions, I can help you, but you've got to want to change. Tell me more about this caged-in feeling. Listening, nodding, really and oh my, and why don't you tell me about it? Seconds, plotting, this job is grueling and life would be thrilling without it. At best I'm nimble, at best I'm quirky, but now I spend my days dreaming of someplace I'd rather be seagull and then a turkey. But shortly 5 will arrive and I'll transform from pouty to perky. Parakeet counselor by day, Nightingale by night. Nightingale by night, living for the music, the dancing, the light. No one can run from my glance. There is no end to my games of romancing. I'm entrancing. Stop, you fool! Don't look at me that way, or you may fall in love today. I'd be helpless to stop you.